Very bought some butter, but the butter was better. She bought some butter to make the butter better. So this is tongue twister, and today in this video I'm going to tell you that how I improved my English by using tongue twister. And not only tongue twister, my honey, I'm going to show you this, my diary, which I basically purchased from Miniso. Anyways, so in this diary I have written that what I used to practice when I was a beginner. Yeah, exactly. I know if I say this, I know you won't believe this. I used to wake up at 3 a.m. in the morning. I used to practice English. Will you believe it? Obviously not. But okay, forget it. Hi there, my name is Priya and I'm from Bihar, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, you already know that what I'm going to tell you. So without wasting time, let's jump into the video. Okay, so first of all, this is my weekly planner diary in which, wait, I'm going to show you every single page. So here I have written my routine, my 3 a.m. routine. I really don't know that why did I have not written here the date. Okay, forget it. So this for the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Please take screenshot. Okay, okay. Wait, take it. Okay, I mean took it. Yeah. So for the Monday, I used to watch a YouTube video and write everything they say and learn ASAP. ASAP means as soon as possible. Okay. And on Tuesday, read and speak louder. And on Tuesday, read and speak louder. And on Wednesday, read story and rewrite. Read story and rewrite. It means the short stories. In my every video, like not in my every video, but I often talk about it in my every single video that if you want to improve your English, please start reading English stories, short stories, and write everything that that you got from that story, that you understand from the story. And on Thursday, talk with a partner. And Friday, learn 10 word meaning and use them in sentences. This is the basically, like, this is very important. If you are learning word meaning, please try to use it in the sentence. Okay. And on Saturday, learn and listen one English song in a day. See, this is what I do. On a Sunday, revise everything you have learned in the week or learn one paragraph. One paragraph means not everything. Like it could be anything, like about my childhood memory and about my family, about myself, about my pet. Okay. On 7th November, I lost my pet. Okay. I don't want to cry. Okay, this is tongue twister. Okay, this is tongue twister. Where for the Monday, this is for the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Please take screenshot. Please take screenshot. And this is what you guys have to practice. Okay, wait. I'm gonna tell you that what is this. Try speaking tongue twisters out loud because this is going to help you a lot. Tongue twisters is very good for your tongue, for your English practice, and for your communication skills, because this help you to move your tongue like in a certain way and all. Okay, so for the Monday it is she sells silly she no, it's not she, it's see. Okay, again, she sells silly seashells by the seashore, but seashells seldom sell in snow. You got this. Okay, let me come closer. For the Tuesday, Larry rarely likes lemon lollipops but loves raspberry relish rolls. Try saying it out loud and practice one tongue twisters at least for 10 times. Okay. For the Wednesday, I have two. Three thirsty thieves found four thick feathers floating. Three thirsty thieves found four thick feathers floating, and this is my favorite. Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter, so she bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better. Whoa. For the Thursday, Owen owns only one onion, but Ophelia is the song, okay. Owen owns only one onion, but Ophelia offers oatmeal and oranges. For the Friday, if a bat fits in the bed, but a bat sits on the set, which bat bit the pet? Okay, see. And for Thursday, no, not for Thursday. For Saturday, Harry Hurley hands hot honey to happy hamsters hopping home. For the Sunday, Charlie chose cheese chips, but Jack juggled juicy jelly beans. Whoa, this is very, very amazing, guys. Okay, next, this this was my 21-day challenge, which I took. I don't know when, but before starting a challenge, I don't know when I started this, but I failed in this. Uh, I only followed for 4 days only. It happens with me. Okay, and here I have written my routine for the morning and for the evening. Please take screenshot, my honey. Please take screenshot. This is going to help you a lot. I'm telling you. I'm telling you again and again. Please, 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 please. Okay. Thoughts. When you constantly ignore your inner voice, it gets quieter, and over time, you stop recognizing yourself. Speak up, even if your voice shakes. Even if your voice shakes. Yeah. You don't need to dim your light just because someone refuses to wear sunglasses. Oh gosh. Let me read this again. You don't need to dim your light just because someone refuses to wear sunglasses. Whoa, my favorite. Anyways, so this was my diary, this was my routine, and please start practicing tongue twisters. I know I'm telling you this again. This is going to help you a lot because basically it helped me, and I'm damn sure that it will help you too. So please start doing this, and please focus on this also. Please focus on this also. Please, because when I was literally a beginner, when I don't know that what is English and what do I practice every single day, then I used to do this that I showed you. Okay. Anyways, so that was it. I recorded this video like in a straight. Oh. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you don't, please let me know in the comment section because I don't want you to, to get you upset. Um, but I shared my personal experience. I shared my personal thing, and in my upcoming videos, I will share more my personal notes and personal things. Yeah, but obviously about English, not about my personal life. Maybe in the future I will do that as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.